Hello, virtual students. It's Mr. Ag here, and I'm here to talk with you about your cursive work for today in word study. In word study today, we are going to be studying word parts. We're on page 78 in your cursive handwriting book, and you see the boy in the toga standing in the center, and he says, use Greek and Latin to figure out big words. And so we've got three basic parts to words. We've got in the center here, so I've highlighted the three parts. We've got prefixes, word roots, and suffixes. So word roots is kind of like the base part of the word. Sometimes it's even called the base word or the root word. And it kind of gives the basic meaning of whatever the word is going to be. And then when you stick a prefix at the beginning of the word, pre means before, you slightly alter the meaning of that base word. If you put a suffix on the end of the word, you're also giving new meaning to the word. So they give us two prefixes, four root words here, and two suffixes. And they give us some words that go with these, and we can figure out what those words mean based on the meanings of the prefixes, the root words, and the suffixes. So word parts at the beginning of words are called prefixes. Pre equals before. Okay, so you're gonna underneath that, you're gonna practice your cursive. Pre equals before. But over here to the right, we've got a word that uses the prefix pre. So you see pre and then view. So the root word here is view, or the base word. When you view something, you see it. If you preview it, you are taking a look at something before you need to do something with it, or before you actually watch it. Like a preview for a movie would be like a trailer that you watch ahead of time before the movie starts. Or like right now, I'm giving you a preview of your assignment before you actually do it. So we're looking at it before you need to do your work on it. Here we've got the prefix auto equals self. So underneath, you're going to copy auto equals self, practicing the cursive. And then up here, you've got autograph. I wonder what graph means. Well, let's look down in the root words here. We've got graph equals writing. So autograph is self writing. That's where you sign your name, right? You write your name when you write your autograph. So you're going to copy the word autograph here. And then for roots, we've got aqua equals water, graph equals writing, geo, comma, terra equals earth. So I believe geo is the Greek version of earth and terra is the Latin version of earth. And so we've got some words over here on the right that use these roots. I'll go ahead and jump in and do the suffixes here too. You've got arium equals place for, and ology equals study of. So on the left-hand side of the paper, you're just copying what's above it. You're doing the same thing on the right-hand side too, but the idea is that you try to figure out what the words mean based on the word root, the prefixes and suffixes that are present in the word. So here we've got aqua, water, arium, which is place for water. Okay, it would be a place for living things that need water, aquarium. Here we've got geo, which is earth, graphy, which is writing. Okay, writing about the earth, or not about the earth. Geography would be like maps, and topography, which covers like mountains and canyons and things like that. So geo, earth, graphy, write. Terra, which is earth, Tori. Okay, we don't have Tori, but this would be an area of earth, territory. Here we've got terra, again, land or earth. Arium, which is a place for. Terrarium would be a place that you have for living things that need a landscape to live in, like turtles or lizards. Terrarium. And here we've got geo, earth, ology, study of. So the study of earth, geology. Geology would be an example of, or examples of geology would be people who study rocks are called geologists. But there are all kinds of different geologists that study different aspects of Earth. Hope you enjoyed the word study lesson today. Practice your cursive, do the best you can. We're always working to be neat, organized, and beautiful in all we do. And no one's expecting you to be a complete expert at this. We're just asking you to do your very best every time you make an effort to do some schoolwork. Good luck and do your best, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning.